We're going to read a story called Monkey's Miserable Monday, and it has a lot of words with our letter this week. Do you remember what letter that is? M. Very good. And what sound does the M make? Mm. So let's go ahead and look at the cover. Monkeys. That starts with an M. There's an M right there. Miserable. That means you're just having a really bad day. You're miserable. Monday. All of those words start with the sound. Monkeys. Miserable Monday. Monkey is in a bad mood. He wakes up late and now he must hurry or he'll miss the school bus. This Monday morning is another one, is off to a miserable start. Monkey mutters. Remember, miserable means it's just awful. He's off to an awful morning. The bus will be here in a few minutes, but Monkey can't find any socks that match. What a miserable Monday, Monkey mutters. At breakfast, Monkey spills the milk. What a miserable Monday, Monkey mutters as he mops up the mess. Mop and mess both start with the letter M. Monkey has misplaced his lunch money, so he must make a sandwich. There is no lunch meat, only mustard. What a miserable Monday, Monkey mutters. So mustard is another word that starts with the letter M. It is snowing outside. Monkey can't find his mittens anywhere. Mittens are like gloves, but they only have a spot for your thumb and then all the rest of your fingers. Mittens also starts with the letter M. What a miserable Monday, Monkey mutters. Oh, I hope he's not late. He's not having a good morning. Monkey looks over his math homework. He sees 2 mistakes. What a miserable Monday, Monkey mutters. Monkey runs out the door to catch the bus. Whoops, he trips on the mat. See, his mom has a little welcome mat right outside their door and he tripped on it. All of his marbles roll out of his bag. Monkey is mad. I hate Mondays, Monkey moans. Monkey's mother's another M word, comes to the door. What is the matter with my little monkey? She asks. Monkey tells his mother about the socks that don't match, the spilled milk, the mustard sandwich, the mistakes on his math homework, how he lost his mittens, and how the marbles spilled everywhere. Now, I'm going to miss the bus, Monkey moans. What a miserable Monday. Monkey's mother gives him a hug and smiles. But Munchkin, today isn't Monday, she says. It's only Sunday. Do we go to school on Sundays? No. Monkey's mother makes him a mug of cocoa with mini marshmallows. Then she mixes up a batch of maple muffins, Monkey's favorite. Monkey spends the rest of the morning drawing meadows and mountains with his magic markers. What a marvelous Sunday, says Monkey. And it is. The end. So that book had a lot of things that started with the letter M and the sound. Can you remember some of them?